If you are setting up Postgres 18 within a Docker container, for the Postgres data within your Docker container, you no longer need to specify a data folder, this part of the directory. Adding a data folder was standard practice prior to 18. But if you migrate to Postgres 18, adding this folder will generate an error or a silent failure to connect. So remove that data folder, and then for good measure, you want to specify version 18 at the end. If you do not want to migrate to Postgres 18 and want to keep 17 and your mounting location on your Docker container for the data folder the same, keep it as it is, and then pin 17 to your command. Do keep in mind that the official Postgres database Docker image is 18, version 18 by default, which is the latest version. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. It doesn't cost you a penny.